The Weather Xtreme video. This is the afternoon edition for Friday, the 18th of March. I'm James Spann. Have a chance of rain at times tonight and tomorrow morning, and cold air blows in here. A late season cold snap Sunday and Monday. Let's get in there and check things out this afternoon. That is the water vapor satellite view. You can see the upper low that's over South Dakota. That'll be helping to carve out an eastern U.S. trough in coming days. And down here you can see big thunderstorm clusters. That was the radar at 2:54. Mostly light to moderate rain with a few embedded storms, mainly south of a line from Reform to Hoover to Roanoke. No severe weather expected around here, but maybe some thunder in spots this evening. But the most widespread rain tonight should be generally south of Interstate 20, at least this evening. Up in the 70s in most spots, the exception Tuscaloosa. They've got 64 because of rain. But around the nation, cold air diving south. Denver barely above freezing this afternoon. And we could see a freeze in here by early Monday morning. Got freeze warnings in effect for parts of Arkansas, Missouri, and Oklahoma. A flash flood watch for parts of southwest Alabama, basically from Choctaw County south down to Mobile and Baldwin counties. And this is the convective outlook for the rest of today and tonight. The standard slight risk over much of central and east Texas, much of Louisiana, central and south Mississippi. In Alabama, that slight risk noses into parts of Sumter, Choctaw, Washington, and Mobile counties. A marginal risk as far east as Tuscaloosa, Greenville, Luverne, and Geneva. And again, general thunder, but really for the northern half of the state, we certainly don't expect any severe weather tonight. Tomorrow, a marginal risk over south and southeast Alabama. That includes Mobile, Gulf Shores, Dothan, Phoenix City, Eufaula. And on day 3, which is Sunday, there could be some thunder because of cold air aloft over Tennessee, oddly enough, in the cold air, but certainly no chance of severe weather. Rain for the next 5 days, valid through Wednesday morning. Heavier totals down south. Amounts down there between 1 and 2.5 inches. Much lighter for the northern counties of the state. But let's take a look. Here's the GFS, the 12Z run, valid tomorrow at 1 o'clock local time. You can see the trough carving out over the eastern half of the nation. This is the HUR at midnight tonight. And again, let me just say that the models have had a horrible week. Mesoscale models, global models, they've all been bad. But again, this is what the radar could look like tonight at midnight. Rain, maybe some thunder. Now, tomorrow morning at 6 o'clock, a chance of lingering light rain, but as the day goes on, we think the weather will be drier. This is 1 o'clock tomorrow afternoon. This is the high-res NAM, the 4-kilometer NAM. Still the chance of a few lingering showers over east Alabama at that point, but the bulk of the western half of the state is dry. The day will be breezy and cooler with a high only in the low to mid-60s tomorrow. This is the synoptic scale look off the GFS. The surface low is moving east of the state. Sunday, breezy, very cool. A mixture of clouds and sunshine, the high between 55 and 58. Maybe a few sprinkles to the north of us. And again, maybe some elevated thunder over Tennessee and Kentucky because of very cold air aloft, but Sunday here should be dry. Now, Sunday morning, again, the wind's going to be blowing. We should be in the mid-30s, above freezing. No frost, more than likely, because of the wind. But Monday, that surface high is closer. The 1030 high is near Lake Charles, Louisiana. The sky will be clear. We'll expect a low down in the low 30s in most spots. The day will be sunny. And again, there's a look at the potential minimum temperatures coming off the GFS. You can see a lot of low 30s. We'll say lows Monday morning between 28 and 34 for most spots, with a good chance of frost. Growers beware. This is Tuesday. A warming trend begins. The sky will be sunny. Now, Tuesday morning is going to be cold. I think we could see some frost on Tuesday morning in spots. So just be aware of that. We'll be down in the mid-30s. The high Tuesday should be in the upper 60s. And this is Wednesday. We go back in the 70s. The sky partly sunny. And Thursday of next week, a surface low near Fort Smith, Arkansas. And this is looking relatively dry. The moisture levels will be increasing. I think we'll need to mention a chance of showers maybe late Thursday into Thursday night. And this is Friday morning at 7 a.m. You can see that trough digging down through the Mississippi Valley. A surface low is near Indianapolis with a band of showers and storms. Now, this is coming through Friday morning early. That might mitigate the severe weather risk. But understand, this is a week away. The models have been struggling. We'll see a lot of different looks out here. Just be aware there's some chance we could see a few strong, maybe severe storms toward the end of next week. And this is the end of the forecast period, Monday, March 28th, troughing to the west, kind of a soupy air mass. That's suggesting mild with a chance of showers. Anomalies. Temperatures pretty close to average, March 26th through April 1st for us. And the numbers, you can see those cold mornings, Monday and Tuesday morning. And then after that, we'll see highs mostly in the 70s and lows mostly in the 50s. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes in the blog. Next video here from me will be Monday morning at 7. Brian Peters, the man that looks like Colonel Sanders, will have the video updates tomorrow and Sunday. If you can't catch us this evening on the live stream or the television side, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great weekend, and God bless.